What if I told you that the future of AI is not just a distant reality, but is already shaping our lives in ways we never thought possible? This is not a tale from a sci-fi novel, but our very own reality. We are witnessing the dawn of AI innovations that are transforming every facet of our lives, from our daily routines, transportation, and even the Internet of Things, to how we experience virtual reality, healthcare, and agriculture. Join me on this journey into the future and discover the 10 AI innovations that will redefine our world by 2030. Imagine having a companion who knows you better than anyone else, always there to assist you. This is the reality with artificial intelligence companions. These AI agents are becoming an integral part of our daily lives, offering a friendly voice and a helping hand in our day-to-day tasks. Whether it's setting reminders for your meetings, recommending a new book based on your previous reads, or even guiding you through a new recipe, these companions are there to make your life easier. Beyond this, AI companions are also stepping into the role of decision-making aids. They analyze your patterns, understand your preferences, and subsequently provide personalized suggestions. Whether it's a movie recommendation for your Friday night in, or the best route for your morning commute, these AI companions are ready to assist. With AI companions, you're never truly alone. They are revolutionizing the way we live, work, and play, making our lives simpler and more efficient. Navigating traffic will never be the same again. Imagine a world where you don't need to worry about steering the wheel, checking the rearview mirror, or even pushing the gas pedal. That's the promise of fully automated self-driving vehicles, a shining beacon in the realm of AI innovation. These vehicles, equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, cameras, and advanced AI algorithms, are set to revolutionize transportation. Picture this: a busy city road, cars zipping past, all without a single human behind the wheel. It's not just about convenience, it's about safety too. These AI-driven vehicles don't get tired, don't get distracted, and are always alert, drastically reducing the risk of accidents. Efficiency is another key advantage. AI can optimize routes, reduce traffic congestion, and even cut down on carbon emissions by making transportation more efficient. So, whether it's for your daily commute or a cross-country road trip, the future of transportation is here. Sit back, relax, and let AI do the driving. What if your everyday devices could think for themselves? Well, that's not a far-fetched idea in our world today. The fusion of artificial intelligence with the Internet of Things, or IoT, is doing precisely that, making our everyday devices not just smarter, but also more efficient. Imagine your refrigerator knowing when you're out of milk and automatically adding it to your online grocery list, or your thermostat learning your temperature preferences throughout the day and adjusting itself accordingly. This is the power of AI and IoT combined. These intelligent devices are not only providing us with convenience, but also improving our quality of life. They're helping us save energy, time, and even money. We're stepping into an era where our devices work together, communicate with each other, and make decisions on our behalf. This is a world where AI doesn't just assist us, it integrates seamlessly into our daily lives. Welcome to a smarter AI-powered world. Get ready to step into a world that transcends physical boundaries. Imagine walking through the Colosseum of Rome, diving deep into the Great Barrier Reef, or even stepping foot on the moon, all from the comfort of your living room. This is the power of virtual reality, or VR, enhanced by the intelligence of AI. VR, coupled with AI, can create immersive experiences that are more than just visual spectacles. It can stimulate all your senses, making you feel like you're truly part of the scene. This technology is not only revolutionizing entertainment, but also transforming education and training. Imagine students exploring the human body from the inside, or trainee surgeons practicing complex procedures in a risk-free environment. AI-powered VR is also fostering global connectivity. You can meet and interact with people from around the world in a virtual space, breaking down geographical barriers. Experience the world like never before with AI and VR. Imagine a world where healthcare is personalized, predictive, and precise. Picture this: a tiny nanochip no larger than a grain of sand, integrated with artificial intelligence, providing real-time information during complex medical procedures. It's not science fiction, it's reality. These nanochips, powered by AI, are revolutionizing healthcare, providing doctors with an unprecedented level of detail, and accuracy. Now, let's go a step further. What if you could monitor your health continuously, not just during your annual checkup? AI is enabling this too through wearable devices. These devices, from smartwatches to fitness bands, are continuously gathering data about your health, detecting any anomalies and alerting you before they become serious issues. In this way, AI is not just revolutionizing healthcare, it's making it proactive rather than reactive. It's helping us shift from a sick care model to a healthcare model. With AI, a healthier future is within our grasp. How can we ensure food security while promoting sustainable practices? This question is becoming increasingly vital as we face the challenges of a growing global population and the impacts of climate change. Artificial intelligence is stepping up to the plate to offer solutions in the form of AI-powered farming techniques. These innovative methods are optimizing every step of the farming process. From soil analysis and crop selection to monitoring growth and predicting weather patterns, AI is lending a helping hand, or rather a smart brain. The result? Increased yields, minimized resource usage, and a boost in overall efficiency. But it's not just about productivity. AI is also helping to ensure food security by predicting potential crop diseases and pests, allowing farmers to take preventative action. It's also enabling the use of precision agriculture, which reduces waste and promotes sustainability. And there you have it. Thanks to AI, the future of farming is not just productive, but sustainable. These AI innovations are not just predictions. They're already unfolding before our eyes. As we journeyed through this enlightening exploration, we've seen how AI is transforming our lives. We began with AI companions, the friendly voices that assist us in our daily tasks. They're becoming our personal assistants, our teachers, our friends, and even our therapists, making our lives easier and more connected. We then delved into the world of automated transportation. Fully autonomous vehicles are no longer a part of science fiction, they're becoming our reality. They're navigating the traffic, ensuring our safety, and giving us the freedom to focus on what truly matters. We've also seen how the fusion of AI with the Internet of Things is making our everyday devices smarter. Our homes are becoming more efficient, our devices more intuitive, our lives more seamless. We've stepped into the world of immersive reality, where VR and AR offer us experiences beyond our physical world, enhancing our learning and connectivity. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing the way we monitor and manage our health. From nanochips providing real-time information in complex procedures to wearable devices for continuous health monitoring, AI is making healthcare more personalized and proactive. And finally, in the field of agriculture, AI is helping us create a sustainable future. It's optimizing farming techniques, maximizing yields, minimizing resources, and ensuring food security. Subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this, and turn on all notifications to be updated in the domain of AI.